Look at him right under the approach.
That's really scary right there.
What's our landing speed in this?
I just put him in there at 120, 106.
Alright.
So white, we're high.
That's fine, we'll take the middle taxiway.
I think we're gonna roll all the way out.
You wanna?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because where we're going is all the way at the end.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we've done that before.
So now I'm just trimming so that I have, you know, very little pressure here.
Yeah.
Frontier 226, double power, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
And it's flying right where I want it to fly.
16 left, Frontier 226.
500.
Check.
500, 3 green. Flaps are full. Yaw damp's gone. We're starting to get on our glide slope now.
Yeah, we are.
That's our visual glide slope.
That's a little low on the speed, but
It's Vassy. Yeah, see that green donut?
yeah.
That green donut's where I want to be.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's pretty low then. It's good. I like low landing speeds. Oh, perfect.
Oh, we're gonna bounce twice.
That's fine.
Speed brake spoilers, you can feel it slow down a little bit with that. And we're gonna roll in. She sees it already, so she knows. So no brakes yet, haven't applied any brakes.
Attention 1 kilo November, you can roll to the end, contact ground point 7. The helicopter that is departing.
Point 7, thanks. Kilo November.
Still no brakes.
Still no brakes.
Letting it roll. I'm just using the flaps and the speed
Helicopter
brakes and spoilers.
27, Mike.
At some point I'll have to use brakes. That's a 2000,
Helicopter 27, Mike.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
1500.
Helicopter 27, Mike, you can go ahead and proceed
Big
on
one.
course now.
Those are called the fixed distance markers.
Helicopter 27, Mike,
It's
proceeding on course.
1,000
Thank
feet
you.
left on the runway.
Gotta love the landing lights.
Okay, so those are stowed. Those are
Frontier
stowed.
226, contact
Lights
NorCal.
off.
So long.
Heat's off.
Frontier 226, going to Barge. Good day.
Ground 941 Kilo November off the right to the service center.
And November 941 Kilo November, Capital Ground taxi straight ahead via Papa to the service center.
Papa, thanks.